Well, it's Sunday morning at about, my goodness, just before 7 o'clock. And oh my goodness, both clocks say the same thing. Amazing what happens when you put fresh batteries in them. The blue bathtub is on the left end coming off. I pretty much spent, I don't know, maybe 2 hours yesterday trying different things to get the proper part number nut to go onto the end of this crankshaft. As you can see, I even went ahead and used my Dremel to take off the first three threads, hoping that once you get it down, it would come in here and pick up this nice clean thread here, and that didn't work. It didn't work. Then I sacrificed one of the brand new nuts. I cut it and spread it and put it on there, and then slipped it on, squeezed it shut with vice grips, and then unscrewed it, hoping to clean up these threads. Proper threads going into proper threads, theoretically. That didn't work. Finally, I took another perfectly good proper nut, cut it in half, put the two halves on here, held it together with vice grips, and unscrewed it, and then tried the proper part number nut on this shaft, and it didn't fit. The measurements I took with my digital handheld micrometer show that this shaft is about 3 thousandths or so larger in diameter than the inner diameter of the nut that I'm trying to put on it. So I'm backing off. I can't take a chance on messing this up. I don't know how or why these threads, this nut, this threaded end doesn't fit these perfectly good nuts that I purchased. My good buddy Bill, who's a machinist, is coming over with all kinds of magic measuring devices, much more accurate than my handheld micrometer. He's going to examine it and then come up with a plan for making a nut to fit that shaft. And so I'm just putting this guy aside again until Bill has a chance to bring his expertise, his instruments, and his magic over here to help me define what needs to be done to render out of his magic machinery a nut that will fit that threaded end. I have no understanding of why that shaft should be bigger than the nut that is supposed to fit it. I just don't know. And I put way too much time into this. Way too much time. I mean, we're talking hours and hours of uncharged time trying to fit a nut onto a shaft. I've tried every single solution suggested by people who have responded so far, and it ain't be happening. So I'm bringing in the experts. Bill will come over, analyze, measure, pray to, and come up with a solution that we will implement in order to finish the installation of this new ignition/charging system. And that's the way it is.